Hey, y'all, I'm actually stickering my cookies right now for y'all tonight. These stickers, of course, say thank you for supporting my small business, because I always appreciate y'all, Tucson, for always coming through for your girl, for always supporting my small business. Like I said, definitely this is a dream for me. Of course, I've always loved baking since I was young and that kind of thing. And like I said, just seeing my business here, had moved here about a year ago, here to Tucson, and then seeing my dream come true. Like I said, y'all, this is godsend for me, I guess I put it that way. And like I said, I'm definitely loving this all together. And like I said, definitely thank y'all. Like I said, that's why I got these stickers for y'all. Like I said, on every cookie I have, it's going to say thank you for supporting my small business, and it has a little heart on it. Like I said, I love these little stickers, and I hope y'all love them too. I guess I put it that way too, because I can't say thank you enough for the things that you have done since I've been here. Thank you. Like I said, I can't show my thanks enough. Y'all have been so supportive of my business, of me trying to, of course, to get my cookies out there and all that type of stuff, and of course telling other folks about them. Like I said, I greatly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, y'all. And this next sticker, of course, this is the sticker I have on my cookies as well. Cookies and anything else I make. This one just has, of course, my cookies in it, my name, find me on Facebook, Instagram. That goes on every cookie as well, y'all.